This old house had live circuits running through wiring that's been buried for decades. We found decades-old wiring, zero protection, and circuits that could have been a serious hazard. Just one fault away from serious danger. So we had no choice, we had to rip it all out. In this video, I'll walk you through everything we've rewired so far, what's still left to fix, and how we're planning to bring this house into the 21st century, safely.
Okay, another one of the rewires I'm doing. As you all know, one of my favorite fuse boards at the moment is the RCBO one. So I'm just going to set up my torch. We've got new tails coming in. I changed the fuse board from a very old fuse board. So this one's got surge protection, which is the orange one, main switch, and then individual RCBOs. And we've done a full rewire. So we put in a 2-gang switch to operate new lights. When we clear this place here, we're able to fit the new lights. So upstairs, there wasn't any switches here. We had an old switch up here in the door of the bathroom, and that was it. So when you came to the top of the stairs, you would have to go all the way to the other side in order to turn on the light or turn off the light. So we put in a switch in between, a 2-gang switch, one for upstairs and the other one for downstairs. And then of course, if you go upstairs to this bedroom and it's off or it's on, you can still operate the light. So this is the main bedroom. So we're putting the sockets in here. What if I like to put back the floorboards? This is the second bedroom with a 1-gang switch. And sockets at the right height now. $450. So we're going to put one in here. We're going to wait till they board this side, and then we can put one socket there, and then one for the corridor for the Hoover. Then when you come in the bathroom, we've put in a 1-gang switch with, they're going to change the tiles and do this place up with a I don't know if you can hear that, with the extractor fan with the timer switch. And we put the isolator in the cupboard, not on top of the door. Well, that's going to be running trunking and be quite nice and neat. So this is the first part of the installation. Hope you come back and see the development of when we come back to do downstairs. I don't know if you like these kind of things. I would have just try and clean up the brick and have it exposed, but I guess it's not everybody's lucky. So I'm here, I'm unable to turn off the light either way. And the bathroom can go off. Lock up securely. Hope you guys have a good weekend, you know, because I know I'm going to. When you come down here, you have the other switch for downstairs and upstairs light, and obviously a 1-gang switch for the corridor. Going to change the light fittings, but we've left something that can be operated from here for the time being. While we're temporarily doing the rest of the lights. Yeah, thanks for watching, and we definitely have to catch up again and see what happens for the next stage.